Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to retweet on X. The action known as retweeting on X is now called reposting. So let's open X application on my phone, and I want to go to any post that I want to retweet, and under it I want to tap repost icon that looks like two arrows in square, and here select option repost. The icon will turn green, which indicates that you have reposted this post, and you can see it on your profile. So tap your profile picture in the top left and tap on profile, and under the section posts you will see here is my repost post that I have just reposted. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.